Welcome back to AS Motors Zone. Today, we explore the Maybach Crown Palace Motorhome concept, a design that blends the elegance of Mercedes Maybach with the commanding scale of a luxury motorhome. This concept represents the highest level of prestige, comfort, and visual authority on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the most striking feature is the long and muscular front nose. It carries the oversized Maybach grille, framed by vertical crystal LED headlights that give the motorhome a royal presence. The extended hood flows smoothly into a sculpted front fascia with refined air intakes that balance aggression and elegance. This front design communicates both power and refinement, creating a look that feels inspired by a luxury limousine and a private jet at the same time. The body is ultra-long and extremely tall, giving the motorhome a commanding silhouette. Broad side panels and wide flared wheel arches reinforce its dominant stance. Thick, reinforced proportions make the vehicle feel solid and secure while still maintaining a premium, sculpted appearance. The overall silhouette feels more like a rolling palace than a traditional motorhome. This design draws inspiration from luxury limousines and private jets, blending comfort with authority. The Maybach Crown Palace Motorhome is not just built for travel, it is designed to make a statement wherever it goes. Moving inside, the interior continues the same philosophy of refined luxury and intelligent layout. The driver cabin is inspired by a truck-style cockpit, but finished with Maybach-level materials and craftsmanship. The seating position is high and commanding, giving the driver full control and visibility. Behind the driver cabin, the living space begins with a compact and narrow lounge and kitchen area. This space is designed for luxury within realistic motorhome proportions. On one side, a premium leather sofa runs along the wall, offering comfortable seating for relaxation or conversation. The sofa features elegant stitching and soft cushioning that matches the overall color theme of pearl white, champagne gold, and warm neutral tones. On the opposite side, the kitchen is arranged in a narrow, streamlined layout. It includes a built-in countertop, sleek cabinets, and a small luxury sink. As you move toward the rear, the sleeping area is located at the end of the motorhome. The bed is narrow and aligned with the width of the body, creating a space that feels integrated rather than separate. It is designed for two people and finished with luxury upholstery, elegant stitching, and soft textures that match the rest of the interior. The walls around the bed feature smooth, modern panels with subtle patterns inspired by Maybach design elements. Side windows bring in natural light, while ambient lighting along the ceiling creates a calm and restful environment. A sliding door separates the bed area from the driver cabin and living space, providing privacy without disrupting the overall design flow. Throughout the interior, materials define the experience. Premium leather, polished wood, brushed metal, and chrome are combined with precision and balance. The interior does not feel like a house or apartment. It feels like a mobile luxury suite designed for long journeys in complete comfort. Every surface, light, and detail serves a purpose, creating an atmosphere of quiet elegance and modern refinement. The Maybach Crown Palace Motorhome concept represents more than transportation. It reflects a vision of luxury travel where scale, comfort, and prestige coexist in harmony. The exterior communicates strength and royal presence, while the interior delivers calm, functional luxury in a compact and intelligent layout. From the massive front grille and towering roofline to the refined cockpit, compact lounge and kitchen, and elegant rear sleeping area, every element of this motorhome is designed with intention. It stands as a symbol of what future luxury motorhomes could become when inspired by one of the world's most prestigious automotive brands. Thank you for watching. This is my own design concept, and it shows how future vehicles like this can one day become reality through innovation and imagination.